Isn't that cool?
You need to wait.
Wow, they're melting.
You need to wait. Rainbow.
Okay, so today, what?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. What are we gonna make?
Hello, I'm coming and this is Chloe. So we're gonna.
No, we're gonna make the rainbow pool first. Our
Rainbow
experiment first. Okay, so what colors do we have?
Blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Okay, so what are we going to do is we're gonna line up red and then orange and then yellow and then green and then
Oh no,
blue.
B is ready.
Okay,
B is ready.
like that. Okay, can you continue it? What's next? Next is red,
Red,
orange, yellow, green.
So it's putting all the
The next
yellow.
yellow is next to orange and then green. Wait, and then blue. Kelby, put the blue next to the green one. All right. Orange, Kelby, orange, yellow, green, blue. I think we're done.
The circles.
Yeah.
But it's another red. It's in the middle.
Yeah. Hold on. Put it in there. Put it in there.
But it's another red.
Put up some water in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay. Now that I heat up
I'm ready.
hot water, we're gonna pour it. Let's see.
Ready.
Ooh, be careful, it's hot. Oi! I think I put too much. Ooh, look at it. Are we seeing
I
something?
don't see it. I don't see it because I'm bottom.
Oh, I see the orange melting.
Whoa!
You see it? Oh, they're melting. Whoa!
Time. No.
Wow, look at that! They're rainbow! Wow!
When I blow it, it goes really cool.
Okay, wait.
Rainbow.
Oh, wow, that's not cool. Is that cool?
You need to wait.
Wow, they're melting.
You need to wait.
Okay.
Is all of them cool?
Wow, so cool! Is that cool, Kelby?
Yeah. Very cool.
Wow. Whoa, they're
I want
melting and they're
M&Ms.
going.
I want M&Ms to eat.
Okay. Oh, maybe after the experiment. Look, it's creating purple. The red and the blue is creating purple.
Wow.
Isn't that cool? Oh, it's almost there in the middle.
It's halfway.
Halfway, yeah. Wow.
Wow.
So awesome.
Can I touch the rainbow?
Not yet. Oh, it's almost there.
I'm ready to blow.
Wait, Kelby, wait. Don't blow yet.
After doing the next row.
Wow. Isn't that cool?
Hello. Hello.
Wow. Isn't that
Wow, it's almost
It's almost there.
and a bunny.
Almost
there. Underdog. Underdog.
What? Oh, kind of moved. Okay, I guess you can blow on it now. Wow! Okay, stop. Oh my god, it's now ugly. Ew.
Now look.
Oh my god, it looks like a poo-poo. Oh no! What does it look like now?
Getting yellow.
Yeah, what color is that? Like brown? It looks more like yellow, right? It looks like... Wow. Okay, Kelby, no more saliva on the plate. Well, ew. And what color is this? If you mix all the colors, what color is it? It looks kind of like brownish yellow. Yuck.
Yucky.
Okay, you ready to eat it now? I'm gonna take out the water.
Yeah.
You're gonna eat wet M&Ms. Yuck. It's still yummy. Ew, Kelby, get saliva on it. All right, let me take out the water. Yay! Let's take out the water. Oh, actually, look, it's still making that rainbow color. No. It looks like an art plate. Okay, you guys can have some chocolate. Look at the bottom of the M&Ms. Look at the bottom. What's in it? What's in the bottom? Whoa. Yummy? You like this experiment? You want to do another experiment? Okay, next time. Say bye.
Bye.
Look at the camera and say bye.
Bye.
Kelby's so busy eating.